Sound System Empire, yeah, the baddest sound class, and Mixtape Sound Station.
You know, so when Mighty Crown come out, you know, a pure murder. See? Me a clash with the world champion, Black Cat. Big up Black Cat inside the house. The 4-time world champion. See it? Let's see who the bigger so now. See it? Jesus Christ. Big up the promoter, see it? Big up all of my ladies inside the house. See it? All of me West Indian people, then put your hand in the air. All of me Jamaican people, them inside the house, put your fucking hand in the air. See it? Big up all the people from Trinidad, Antigua. See it? All over. Guyanese. May I tell you, Bermuda, see it? Yeah, all of me Japanese friend them. Big up. Alright. First round is what? Half hour. Alright? I'm not playing a 45 in it. Think a girl clash this. I'm not playing a bumper clash 45. Steal 45 shop.
Yeah. Rachel Spice, when you talk about sound, you talk about
alright.
Sound, yeah. You talk about
this is how we start.
When this one come like a dagger to them arms.
So me a start.
Don't kill any sound you see.
Half hour do it.
Protect me. They don't know. Tonight, mighty God gonna let them know.
Yeah.
Here's some sound boys they don't know.
Fort Lauderdale, Miami.
Just let them know.
Early signal.
Oh my Lord, mighty God, you kill them local and abroad. Some sound of you go facing all.
Why you pull up that? Jesus Christ. Lego that, Sammy. Check. Engineer, please fix it up. Please fix it up. What is? Start all over. What engineer then? Who is the engineer? You are the engineer? Alright. Since this is not working, I'll play up on this turntable right now. Alright? Yo. Sabotage thing from early. Bomboclad. Even if there's one tweet that me I kill Black Cat tonight, remember me told you that. So mad Bomboclad Japanese listener. Remember me tell you that. Sammy, Lego that tune. Yo! Florida! Ready?
Tonight some pussy will get some shots in them faces. Rock them up, walk them, bring them.
Wow!
Mighty crown of murder, anything will cause them play.
Now tell you!
Stealing on them out like a bumbucklad breeze.
Yeah!
Mighty crown of
so me I do it, first round.
them out here, stage, not gonna get them nowhere. All a who's and them
Pantas him at the wicked sound.
in a deer.
Alright!
Pretty much like when
Me are the challenger tonight, see it?
I made it home before a dream country.
Whoa!
Tired of them talking like some BBT.
So we do it.
And them talking are the best them can do. Next time them putting them out on no fit.
Here we go! Tanya! Yo! Me now hold back no tune in them. You see this tune? One of the wickedest bumbuckler Lucian that everybody forget for vice. Lego! Yo! What the hardcore people them there? What the hardcore people them there? Listen, Lucian! Oh! Me I tell you! Song with a difference! Mighty Crown! You see this clash? Panther ain't no pretty at all. Ain't no fucking pretty at all. Richie Spice!
It's not pretty, no.
Oh! Now take them forward. Listen!
All the people in the world are lost.
Hey! Fire! Yo! We loaded! May I tell you? So we are doing full of tune. If you know this tune, I want you to sing along. All ready for more.
Yeah.
keep it burning.
Capitan!
Fire will be blazing.
Listen, listen.
Mighty ground will never get
What is signal there?
Say the wicked sound will have to fall, but mighty ground sound will have to stand tall.
Fire!
And the ground sound will have
Yo!
burning out the ground.
Yo!
Hey,
Listen!
when I'm gonna walk you walk, cause when you walk,
Hey!
when you walk, yeah.
May I tell you?
Cause when you talk,
Capitan! First row, mighty ground there!
now the thing is sing.
Yeah!
You never hear the king.
Shortcut!
Only judge and know
All respect, Jack Cure!
what's gonna happen.
Signal up there!
Up
there!
Sunny day.
Hey!
To go away.
May I tell you? Yo! Even if it's the first round, you know, we not hold back no fucking tune, you heard? Every tune I play tonight. Fix it up for me. Here we go. Hardcore music. Hardcore music. Lego.
We tell them say your life over dead. So
Hey!
we tell them say your
May I tell you? One thing we are tell you. Swear.
That they will never sleep.
Never.
We swear. We keep on running sound like this.
Ready.
We swear.
Ready. No hold back, no tune.
Mighty crown and rise on air, yeah. And ready for swear. Miss sound boy, we stand up.
And I'll take them forward there.
Today.
And I'll take them forward there. Regular.
Don't take no disrespect, no time, no way.
Whoa. So. Yo. I'll say mighty crown 2 on here. Hey. Me now take them forward. Me now take them forward. Next tune. Next tune. Now tell you one thing in a black cat. One thing we are telling.
I've told you, Crown will kill you. Crown sound is the champion.
Yo, don't take them forward there.
My champion.
Yeah.
I never
I tell you.
to kill a drum band. We kill them here and there. Some is in a response.
Wow.
Mighty Crown show the deserve all the best.
Pull up. Ready. Now we'll back shoot. Yo, listen to this key button here. Black cat. Oh, not dead. Listen. Hey. May I tell you? Big up our Rasta man boy. Next key button. May I tell you, mighty crowner, you want me kill him? You want me kill him? Listen!
This one is called Killer's Choice.
Hey! Fire!
So get them man from blood.
May I tell you, I win him tune.
This one is
Pull up! Yo, even in first round of them, me not hold back no fucking tune. See? I'll pay your big money if you come here and see war. Say war! War! Alright then. Tune for your bumble club money now. Listen, big tune.
yeah. This is the international.
Are we named the Far East ruler, right?
Picking up man like 17.
Fix it up.
Simon,
Fix it up.
Posing and all the rest of the crew. Hear this.
Ready?
Many tried but could not test the mind.
Oh, no music. Yo!
Many did try but Simon True.
May I tell you? Yo!
Some fool went to
Mighty Crown loaded tonight, you know.
this man.
Blackjack same on the big sound. Let's see who have more tune tonight.
Take the crown.
Would it be a slide there? Yo!
Crown just play clubs. Have the world dance.
So! Next tune!
This goes to that long time elevate him and die.
Yo, listen.
It was a crowded night when I walked into the dance hall.
Luciano.
Listen to the music played for me.
Yo, man, go so.
By mighty crown sound.
Yeah.
As the music touched.
Big up our clean out the pipe for them.
Brought it
Straight.
to a songbird face.
Yo.
Said to myself.
All of me, God bless people. Them signal up there.
And tell
Signal
the
up there.
music praise.
Yo, for that
Cause
there.
I know mighty crown was made to
Yeah.
and forever we rule.
See me out. See me right here. See me right here.
Mighty crown was made
To serve John. Such as. I tell you. Yo, big combination from early, you know. And we name combination full of originality. When me DJ Buju Banton. Yo, listen. Hey! Kiss on tomorrow. Jesus Christ. Lego that tune. So me I play my first round. You need help from early.
Lord, give them strength.
Whoa!
Face another day.
Me I tell you.
Take it along life's road.
Mighty crown.
Carry their heavy load.
Voice rulers.
Give the sound boy strength to just carry on.
There you know. Big up all of my ladies. All of my war ladies, them big up, see? But now I left you. I want you to witness the word I told.
The beginning and the end. Please do.
Yo, this your blood clot God. Here we go.
Oh, I lift up my hands to mighty crown.
Yeah.
She made me strong.
First time I clash here now. So we roll. Yeah.
Mighty crown, we love you so.
Me I tell you, that's how we do it. First round, tune are it. Here we go. Hallelujah. Remember this tune?
I said tribute to Selassie, the
Great Emperor.
who rule the whole world. Selassie, the
Yo.
greatest king.
Pull it up. Bombo clats. You never know, the mighty gonna have them tuned up. Yo, everything in there, me ready for done it. See it? Black cat, we panther there. Alright, me not attack him now. Ready for him. When him show him face, kick up in rascal. On the ready. Fort Lauderdale, Miami, Orlando. Walk one.
Mighty crown and bona fire upon a week.
Me I tell you. Here we roll.
We leave them with surprise.
Walk one. Listen, Joe.
Lord, I thank you for the blessings and
Luciano. Yeah.
and I thank you for the mighty
Swagger.
crown tonight.
Swagger.
And Jah, I wanna thank you
Whoa.
for all you say or do.
All of me ganja man friend them. Turn on the light of them there. What the ganja light of them there? Lighter.
We rolling up some blunts at the mighty.
So.
And somebody with some lady.
Ganja man.
With the mighty and the girl in need.
That's how we. Me I tell you.
Can you leave what you want?
Yeah man, this one.
I know the mighty crown can.
Light up your split from early. You heard? Light it up from early.
Crown is gold.
Tony Curtis. Yo, Sammy. Give me a bad boy tune, you know. Bad boy tune.
Tell them the market level please. Shut up right like that. You know I'm no peace. God them never show no.
When I take them forward.
Them the least.
Regular.
Like
Early out.
and back up them call them envy and grudge. Them here to
Back in
them
the
fight. The same fit the same. Them go chat and no nice. When them hear me not your brain.
Yeah.
Them to bet the child.
Yeah.
Them to bear the pit.
Hold on. Yo, man, I about no tune in the hold on. Yo, see tonight, me have new tune. Me I gonna play everything in there now. From hip hop, reggae, foundation, everything. New tune time now. Lego that Sammy. Big tune from now. Yo! Yo, fix it up for me. So we go. Shakur. Yes. Here we go. Here we go. Alright. Yeah, man, fix this up. Okay. Ready back again. Yo, people. Remember the first half one. Half one, alright? Wrong one. Sammy, ready? Don't hold back that tune. Ready? What am I looking for? To kill Blackjack. T.O.K. Panta. Yo, yo.
One set of footprints in the sun. And the mighty crown word we murder jump on. We run things, we action beyond. Mighty crown who no big up when we run number one.
When you're dead, you're not gonna come back. What's the last thing Mighty Crown said to the sound?
Yo, when I pull up,
The day
when I pull
that
up,
he killed them, never know they wouldn't come back.
can't come
They
back.
died from the
Never go there.
hit of a gun.
T.O.K.
The jump and sound just gone.
Listen, let me say.
Help me, Lord, help me.
So them ball.
As I look up to the sky, you know
Yo.
now that someone
You see for this year, me a stand strong. Me and the co-on. Me a take every bumbo clash this year. Remember me told you that. Let go.
Mighty crown, you got to be strong, man.
Hey!
You're the best you can.
Yo!
The world is out there, guys.
And I'll take none of them forward. You know.
Don't kill out the
And I'll take none of them forward.
Mighty crown, your sound is strong. You are the best you can.
Here we go.
The world is out there, conquer your fear.
Sammy, ready?
Don't you wait.
Don't hold back no fucking tune. Lego new tune again. New tune time. All love ganja mighty crown. 2 on that here. 2 on. Florida. See that? See that on there? Yo!
When you smoke your dirty clothes and it turn you in a ghost,
Yeah, I tell you.
do you see Mighty Crown crew with them chat?
Here we go.
Them hand. You've been carrying feelings.
Yo.
Dying in our gut.
Yo, people.
You
A long time mighty crown a kill sound in it.
got the Mighty Crown.
You see this here? Me know I'm not trying thing. We gonna kill every bumbo class sound. Mighty Crown start from 1991. 14 years in the bumbo class business. You heard?
Give thanks and praise.
Yo! Miami! Fire God!
A long time Mighty Crown we a kill jump on.
Hey!
Another rhythm make we boost another one.
Hey!
Now we win the dance on to end the next one. 1, 2, 3, Mighty Crown come along till I jump on.
Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Yo! You want me really get fucking mad now? You want me get fucking mad now? All I want to see Mighty Crown get mad. 2 on that here. Gossa! 2 on that bumbo class here. Sammy! Ready for kill Black Cat now.
So Mr. Simon, big up yourself, Ninja, you lad, Super G. Yeah.
Fire!
Yeah, first man.
Pull a lot of them. One more.
Mighty Crown, I tell them
Somebody say pull up.
kick them like that John Paul like a ball. Mighty Crown, Far East ruler, something.
Him God.
Simon, Super G.
Black Cat God.
And this is how we burn them.
Listen.
Who's the world that down
Hey! Jesus Christ. Yo, Me I tell him me not hold back no fucking tune. Tune straight till the morning. Sammy, Lego that tune again. Lego.
Call Almighty crown.
Yeah.
Oh,
This gun. This gun.
Call on a sound, just call on a sound. Mighty crown.
Fire. Water. Bomb for class.
Ninja, Super G, hey coach, sound boy.
Yo, so boy. Yo, I'll say mighty crown. 200 here. 200 here. Camera, video like the crowd. Video like the crowd. Pull up. Jesus Christ. Yo, when we come a war, see it? We don't carry no bomb like 30, ain't no small gun enough. See it? We carry some big long bomb like gun. Lego.
Lordy, lordy.
Hey, 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 hey.
Mighty ground, blood smelling.
So we are doing.
They should know while I'm willing.
Listen.
So, big gunman rise, boy, and make no nice. But this the mighty gun, to get the shot between your eyes. Your life depend the line, the passage, just a realize.
So we are doing.
Shot to them brain. Send straight, you know, I instant it. We use the black blunt, just in truth.
Takes a nitty cut you alone.
I use that the plate, your chop select, and I them.
With the warlord there.
Shot to them brain.
Run come up in a me magnum boy. Walk up in a me shotgun pill.
Hey!
Bring up the shotgun.
Next shoot. Push up.
I to go to see your dogs, you get married far.
Hey! On the Twitter. Yo! Tune! Black Jack! Crush your fuck. Where you crush your fuck? Where you crush your fuck?
Mighty crown.
Remember this? Listen, creativity.
Hey, bang bang the angle of angle bang. Mighty crown come in the bang bang the angle of
Shall we? Listen.
Mighty crown just kill the sound before we kill it at the double. It's emergency.
Listen, creativity.
Night they try test we.
We assassin them.
Night they
Assassin.
Yo, when this are not John Wayne, but we say with the deng deng. Big up,
Oh,
good boy.
boy.
So me say easy, Mr. Skeng. Youngster police, yes, big up out that
Yo.
Mr. Leng. But
War now go down till the morning, you know. War now go fucking done. Let me tell you that. What's up?
The war not done till the whole of them dead. Mac 90 rifle, bust off them head. A murder, so boy a beg.
Alright.
Shot blood out in stripe like orange red. Sammy hand no slip.
2 to go.
let me squeeze the trigger, release the hammerhead.
Cartel.
See them a try make a flame.
New tune.
Land making skull pack like dress make a
Them say a 2 to go, you know.
General for the army.
You see tonight, Mighty Crown is hungry. See it? Me know not no girl clash thing. I'm straight bomber clash steel war.
Boy, I dead you are go dead. On the fucking mighty crown and pulling the up on land.
Yes!
I
Dead you are go dead.
Underneath the downtown in chat and your head.
Wake up!
How would I let you go? If you never did the program, and then I go let
Pull up! Final tune. And me gonna play this anthem tune from early. See it? The whole I wanna pay big money if you come in. See it? The entertain for you. This is Bushu Bantan language shopper. Lego!
Oh yeah, all over the world, murderation now. Hey,
Yo! Yo! Anthem! Shabba!
I love all of the double. Keep them shining on twist. When they play it up, play. Some boy get panic and we are.
How's the black cat? The 200 here.
Sound figured. I tell home in outside no line.
With enough respect. Richie.
Up to the time, Teflon.
Yeah. Come on, man, let's give it up for Mighty Crown, the forest ruler. Yeah. Where's she right now? We now waste some time in a picture too. Because later on from now, and then a clap and yeah, and some boo and boo. And them thing there. So, when you ready now? You have some people drive Escalade. You have some people drive Benz. Some people drive Lexus. But them man are real bad man. Them man a drive a thing called tanker. When I say war, you say tanker. War! 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 Black! Black!
What up, my hey? Yo! Mighty crowd. I gotta tell you this, man. Cool on yourself. We're not dopey. 7 times in a one here. Cool up. Anyway, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, massive. Large up on yourself, see? I'm a fans of my place in Manchester, people. Large up on yourself. The whole of Florida. The whole crew in the house. I'm gonna show you something. We know, hey, look after turn up the bright one. Come on and see people that want me to play. The bright, the one that I make clear. Cut a little bit. You ready? Yeah, turn a little bit. Blaze it! Blaze it! Blaze it!
Black Cat, let them know.
Blaze it!
You can tell your friend. ARP, oh. Your friend said them not know you. No.
What them say?
Some way I go kill you. Play.
Want some more volume, engineer?
Should I never test me?
Little more. What them say?
War tanker, just let them know. Tomorrow I go blow. Them shouldn't diss me.
Bitch, I let them know. Wickedness like
War
word.
tanker won't take this anymore. Cause if it's killing, sympathy no show.
What them say? You say half an hour.
Be that sound boy.
Tomorrow I go
Listen to all of that talk about now. You want it? Yeah.
What you say? Yo! Bumbo clotting.
Yeah, no. Black Cat sound of the champion sound.
Nobody takes
So
it.
we simple, not because we smart.
Trucker see me, you say.
The champion.
First half an hour.
Nobody takes it we sound. Everybody want a autograph now from the champion sound.
Nobody takes it.
We simple, not because we smart.
Yo! And the wickedest thing I'm now guys tonight. Panther. They're gonna rub out them blood clots.
They want a autograph. Down now.
Rub them out, Jonesy. We not rush none.
Who is ready to be trust? No ja, Black Cat who we put first.
No ja.
Needless them fight now fuss. Praise ja when they
Sammy, you know Panther
want
time.
to us. Who is ready to be trust?
We not rush none. The first half an hour.
How we put first. No ja, needless them fight now fuss. Praise ja.
See them where?
Everything is granted and true to us. Jah commandments them go break.
Engineer, make sure I think you have a right to them.
Some broke the line and them can't even wait.
What them say?
The war and the crime round the world I escalate. Panther take that one straight.
Easy my people, everything pretty, none to worry about.
Now go race.
Lock it up!
You always send some sound in a disgrace.
Lock it up!
I'll be a wickedness.
Hey, son, what? Judgment. Selassie first, whatever.
Yo!
Watch out.
Florida! $4 deal! Yo!
Tell some sound boy, leave up him low. Don't want your Black Cats, feel them flow. No feel
Truck
the
us here.
morning, them sparring in the morning. Wanna be the first to eat the food as it
Watching some blood clot shoot round of a drop in the head. Wait till later.
This the big Panther now a run
Well.
Let's boom boom, watch out and more mouth. But tell them only why. Stop war and go till the sun.
See ya,
Stop
where?
fighting for land no. Be the kind.
Trucker Panther, so you won the first round. We are war specialists. Pick up my friends and my girls, them large up.
Violence of fertile, acres more than a city and mile.
What else?
Selectors are king wild, pick a party boy style. Want to play with Panther, Papa and Child. Black Cat a say feeling.
Turn up! Different Sierra. Just track of my people. Them are dead. To lean on. Engineer. No one come in and play that. Mighty crowd. We're not dumping in our business. Pay dead or not dead. Yo!
Doesn't matter what you pay up some boy, as long as
Pay dumping! You will suffer tonight. What I'm saying?
when you try to come this black cat,
What I'm saying?
try to come take of a crowd, you will get through.
What I do? What am I trophy the one?
One sent that
Ganja man! Ganja man! Go
send it out to CC, but
Ganja people! No cocaine! No cocaine!
legalize it.
What I'm saying?
Please don't criticize it.
Wait till me get mad in here.
Legalize it.
Tracker say where you say, we're not rushing.
They say, and Black Cat will advertise it. Oh Lord, some call it champagne, some of them are call it the weed,
What I'm saying?
some call it marijuana, oh, and some of them are call it ganja.
Don't rush the panther. See him where?
Young Black Cat, some legalize it.
Engineer. Give me the more mic for them. Turn the mic a little bit.
Please don't criticize it.
Second!
Legalize it. Yes.
Stop that! Stop that! Friends here on.
See me yourself to the time, kick it like a ball. You know it's cartelling us.
We're not rushing out. Class just starts. War specialist.
The Bamba will never know some man bombastic and booming eye. See me yourself to the time, you know Teflon burn them skin like hot cooking eye. See me say no yo.
What them say for alien?
Wardrobe out further, and the pussy them a ball murder. Black blood bite out them face like burger. Assassinate.
That thing in our two play to right still, you know. You know that, no?
I turn your head, make a merger. Blood stain, paint the walls like Berger. When Black Cat say
The
machine,
thing we are clear on this. Anyway, we are walking the same way. One next.
Benz your range, your Land Rover.
One next.
Yo, you don't see. Hear me say.
Cartel again.
Hear me say no craving here. I see Black Cat. Panther a real bad man. We bust fiberglass and blue steel bad man. Them big little youth so them a baby bad man.
What them say?
Beat up them girls so them a lady bad man. Send it up, clapping that man a real bad man. We bust fiberglass and blue steel bad man. Them big little youth so them a baby bad man. Them beat up them girls so them a lady bad man. You see, them boy they a paper like bad man. Bling once a year, Panther bad from before. Belfoot pants a wear. Before diamond socks appear. Me nah fi bun.
Trucker Panther. We now waste our time. Trucker. Stop that show there. Black Cat, this bomber cloud, the war tanker. We are war specialists. Me war every day of my life. Me ever know what me I do. Second my people. Dance young, I'm a first round. We now rush the thing. The machine are too pretty, but listen carefully and let's go and listen to them. Hear that tune now?
Yeah, make them know say a Black Cat and the pussy test them a gonna die. Don't ask why. ARP again.
What them say?
B-side Chilani.
What them say? Pussy hole. Pussy hole. Pussy hole.
Well, if it's killing, don't you know that War Tanker is willing? Him we shot you all for less than a shilling. Him no ramp when it come to blood spilling.
What them say?
If it test Black Cat,
you must be dreaming.
When now we have the girls them screaming, and if a boy want to carry gal feelings, we no care can we no man no have no dealings.
Not yet.
Don't
Your
have
man.
no dealings. Rap.
Here comes your body man. Come here.
Make man a
fuck you in your wear.
Bad man just get your guns prepared. Not even.
You want to there so you say.
Sound boy.
When you say sound for them?
It's called 25th. I be a Bronx man.
Lick out the bass.
We don't know the sound. We're hardcore. We're not back up on shit.
Where bass? Lick you out.
Stand firm.
Lick you out.
Run up in on the fence and we food get suck off. So we now me bass bus and everything. This what I
pull up. Pull up. Bumbo cloud. Run.
Still. From Brooklyn to Skinner 90 days, the 90s, man.
Yo,
rock away.
That thing I should have played clear on this blood clot to the king.
1,000 acre across the man.
When me bomb them, I drop me one, the people them feel them.
I be a Bronx man, them straight up. I don't know themselves. We rock.
Mighty Crown, they gonna get some blood clot lick later in there. But you brand new.
Run up in the fence and we food get suck off. 7 on me base bust and everything's off. Me soldier them a act off, me checking them soft. Who tell me out how I walk craft? Now me chop I have me hear the fussy them a laugh. Rules to wear Prada, don't know me have to wear clocks. Benz in a foreign now I walk turn around. I was the coast in Ocho.
Oh no one sound dead. Push up on. Push out. Turn it up! Turn it up!
And then me can't take the blum blum rat-a-ta-ta-dum-dum. Black cat in my cocky
another trumpet.
Can't take the blum blum rat-a-ta-ta-dum-dum. Black cat in my cocky another trumpet.
Why engineer the blood clot sit there? Take out the tune there and set me next tune. This little blood clot thing I want to fix up, but anyway, listen careful. Watch it, no watch your sound how it play fuck up. Probably not string up properly. Work with what we're gonna lock it blood.
Yes!
What next?
Sterling sound. Remember that. I want to ask the Pink Panther. Just set it back with David.
Mighty Crown.
You understand?
Where you play Sterling in your man? Feel me artist. No bass yet.
I can't read your mind. I
can't know your story.
I can see what's
going on. Mighty Crown, look for a woman. The whole of the girls have been on my own.
And Panther, sorry. The plates will come to you, yeah. So why surrender?
Jesus said,
Black Cat. Hey, watch those places you walk.
Push it up.
Watch out for the vampires who
I was a mighty crook and get 200 years. Blood clot.
Watch out for the tin pan sound who claims
what do them? The blood clot on them.
I should be in the crack and the guns because mess up the youths. Dance all around red.
They don't know Yonce, Banta, the big man, don't know.
Play back.
Richard Spice, Step Glass, original singing bird, say that.
Again.
Black Cat.
Watch me on the blood clot in there later.
Oh gosh, yes.
All Black Cat fans, push up behind them. Push it up.
Yeah.
Push it up.
Hey, watch those places you walk.
We're creep up now, your blood clot.
Watch out for the vampires who will
all who be before they come here.
Watch out.
Yes, a mighty crowd for that. 200 years.
Say that them smart.
Push up your two.
I should be in the crack and the guns because mess up the youths. I dance all around red. Black Cat a kill another sound then.
Mighty crowd.
I run it redder than red.
Yes, your fire phone come from where the back. We don't reach Jack Cure. We don't want Jack Cure. Push up.
Father Kid. Papa Cat Station.
Jack Cure.
Boom shot. In a jump and Black Cat will never fail.
Push it.
Son boy Black Cat will never fail.
Blood. Mash you. Bamba Clad. Wait till later.
But done now.
Give me one.
Panther. Father Kid. Papa Cat Station. Jack yourself.
Push it up.
In a jump and Black Cat will never fail. In a sound boy Black Cat will never fail.
Solid forward.
And to keep our sound faith.
What I'm saying?
The sound clash, the sound clash. Oh Black Cat.
What I'm saying?
You live just like that. No.
You want me to knock them off?
In a jump and Black Cat.
Lock them off.
Everything is up by the down with down to the Black Cat sound.
No BS. No BS.
Panther stays with a blessing.
Salute Panther. Salute me.
I'm another family. turning from Monday till Friday.
Easy pop. Look at done them blood clotting. What them say?
Me and me virgin panther. Take a leap, stroll up.
Where Black Cat fans them they know. Push up behind the red panther. Push you. Push up.
I beg you, thank you. Oh,
blood clotting.
I'm Black Cat.
Hey, natural blood, come kick off them face. And then me turn them out. What it can say.
It's a panther.
You again song with feelings. Panther attack words with positive meaning.
Natural blood. How much more left? How much more left?
Black Cat attack song with feelings. And them attack words with positive meaning. It's not all of blood, no healing. So sound boy, tell me when once you're healing. But then me got the first. Come make we clean up all the chorus and the verse. Can't teach me black sister them out because can't tell the youth them out the man's skull. Better get the teeth them about black
cat first.
Them out and out the mix and the inner with the earth.
Where ganja people them there?
Can't be no safe.
Where them there? Bumbo clot.
Run the track. Attack. Hey. Whoa. See me.
Every light I like them. Like the blood clot.
After me stand from the Black Cat sound and about me ganja pipe.
Lock your panther. Pussy me last one. Last one. Again. What do you? Save your people them large up. Manchester straight. Clarin and anyways. Chin.
Run the track.
That
Attack.
tracker.
Hey. Whoa.
Every light of a turn on. From the coke lighter. Put them up. Ganja lighter. Light them.
Yo. Hey. Yo. Ooh. After me stand from the Black Cat sound and about me ganja pipe. When Babylon come and tell me that's not right. Some are burning 10 faucets on the right. And then them come in and them look from Panda. Them say, hey, Black Cat, know where you come from. Well, they must have two six.
Mighty Crown, now show me class tonight. Now show us that you're baby son. You know who this? You know who this blood clot? Listen up, Junior.
Me ready for them. Now go mash it up and mash it up again.
Bumbo clot, yo.
Me ready for them. Black Cat
truckers here where you say, now rush it.
No other sound can conquer.
Same way.
No other sound can challenge you. A Black Cat, you're the champion sound. Chichi wo.
Stand up, Thompson. Lick out the bass. Mighty Crown. Panther, one of the wickedest the world ever see. Most consistent selector from 89 me about the fire. I'm gonna ease up. First selector said history in our business. Me a talk from when Stereo One them and Jack Room them used to clash. No blood class selector never have so much trophy yet. Me are the baddest. The baddest. Jack Ure.
Black Cat, Papa Panther, Jack Ure says oh. Roy. Hey.
Jack Ure.
Hey. Son boy, when you're there from when? Don't you hear the doublets them? Black Cat, Papa Panther, Jack Ure says
what do
Roy. Hey.
Mighty Crown. Next week Monday at Jamaica. The last of your career.
Son boy, when you're there from when? Don't you hear the doublets them? We kill a son boy again. And dust them out and left.
You can't get this. Jack Ure gonna Jack the whole no bass. Then move Jack Ure. Should the out on the fire and put him at GP. Mighty Crown. You can't get no more Jack Ure. You can't get no more. We have the whole of them.
Hey. Son boy, when you're there from when? Don't you hear the doublets them? We kill a sound boy again.
Rich Spice up, you know. Massive. Show me on the show for them. Everybody I call me name. Everybody.
They never know. Eh? Oh, na 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 na. Ah, did someone call me? I hear them calling Black Cat name. Call for it. They try to bring along.
Wait for Chuck Fender.
And listen, that's how we go. I same so we go.
Chuck Fender start calling one different name from one day. You want to know a Panther name?
Yes. That's how we go. Same so we set up. Why?
No BS.
So we rock.
Stand up. Two more tune left. Then Mighty Crown. Mighty Crown, I play solid on you, my youth. Tune know me a boss. Them thing I pass your Mighty Crown. Yeah man, time keep your pussy clot. Me and the boss. Listen when me blood clot talk. And me you watch and learn to play reggae music. Listen when me talk. Too much tune, hear ya? Run the young, so don't waste some time.
I'm gonna say yes, Black Cat Panther. Make up yourself, Yonsi.
Yeah, check.
Hey girl, you put on a
the top when I want top.
Hear me now. This is the motherfucking word clash. Girls, them hot.
Sizzler!
Come on, the gunshot, you know, say, oh.
Sizzler!
Relax. Black people not take a chat.
Kalachi!
Anyway, gun pan me police, just can't say nothing. Can't ask a question, just can't say nothing. Black Cat.
When youngster them there? When them there?
That's how bad man select a juggle. Boy, youngster no love them guns on the bonnet. And if why this hip hop time me go run it. None of my girls down no bow down for money. Now power with no boy from them fun.
What you do, young say? What you do now?
So bad moon. So I could tell them like a pussy there's someone who know we Panther. You know, off the board. Panther drop them anchor. One them one. Drive out the tanker. Money fill up. Straight down a shot. We got bitches, more riches like we.
What do them?
Man of the woman could not be your one.
Give me a beat, man.
CMB, cash money banker. One fit up the clocks, what them can't get them your rank, yeah. And one day fast, they hold them through with them can't conquer. Can't kill sound like we do, no. Can't touch with levels, but might fuck them up, yeah. Likewise the devil, are we things what we do. Get them is a rebel, a Panther brand new like fresh born vegetable. Can't kill sound like we.
Second my fans, let's go and roll same way. To one more tune.
Likewise the devil, are the
first round.
Get them is a rebel, a Panther brand new like fresh born vegetable. If you're not like Panther, chuck off on a leg. And if it up to the nigga, them that want to see with red. If you're not like bling dog, suck your mama till she red.
Wanna say? One more tune, pass any tune, give me your say.
Panther,
come on, sing a tune.
And if it up to the nigga, them that want to see with red. If you're not like bling dog, suck your mama till she red. We now go come your yard, I'm begging a tea, I'm begging a bread. Because we wake up this morning thinking about some panache. I have my mind on my girl. And on
stop. Lick on the bass. Blood clot, control the sound. Yes, baby, me know you love me. All that tongues them large up. Me I play one more. Then me hear when I go out with. You ready, Yonsi? Final tune.
Back it up. Yeah, man. Black Cat, them for know their life over dead, good over evil, platinum over gold, belt over ladder, that's the way Bushman road. Back it up. Them for know the watching a panther, don't pay them pamper, man, a gangster. Back it up. You for the whole Chilana, the whole works. Jamaica, London, New York, the whole place. Back it up. Bushman attack them from the fucking east, man.
Yeah, man, we see a more life and joy, you know. Like Cat International.
Bushman. Final tune.
Die your life for me.
Mighty Crown, the whole of Bushman and dead, right, just so.
Oh Lord, Black Cat kill some jampan for me. He plays some dub plates for read.
Right, yes, sir.
Sound boy for me. Cat plays some dub plates for read. When the storms of life surround me, and some jump and trying to play we. Cat kill a sound boy for me.
Stand up, stand up. Lick on the bass. That's his Black Cat. First round. I mean you have MC. Come in MC.
Here I go on. Me need for son of more. Just bring in the next song, dog.
Boy, world class champion that? Come on. 3-time world class champion. What you want to do with?
Them say, we must ask a question first before we go any further. What I say? What I not say? Who take the first round? All who say Mighty Crown 2 and in a ear. All who say Black Cat 2 and in a ear. So Mighty Crown a lead.
Boy, Panther, stick it on you already now. You see it? Stick it on Panther career. May I tell you, him a coming in now with them little CD. May I tell you, your career scratch like the CD them. Bucklad. You know what, Panther? You see like how me done the first round, you don't have no blood clot tune for match Mighty Crown. Full of that tune and the blood clot cat.
Alongside Admiral Tibet.
Hey! Look who's here! All who's the Mighty Crown! 219 blood clot here! Murder! Leg on that tune here! No time for you!
Tonight, man.
All who's the black cat, they go so!
Lord of mercy.
All who's the black cat, they go so!
Jah of mercy. Lord of mercy.
Panther me last one!
Some boy,
hey!
hear me now. Hey! It's a bad boy a fire M16. Policeman a fire AK-47. But Mighty Crown, we a kill some boy.
Lego that tune!
Yo, Simone, yo, Koji.
Simon!
Yo, Glenn Washington, you know.
You want me last name? All who's the Mighty Crown 2 and a year! Fort Lauderdale!
Massive let's
rise and shine
and give the Mighty Crown the...
We're there, we're done.
Pull up!
We're done, lock up the place already.
Shoot again!
You get that one original right across your face. Run the rhythm track.
Yo, listen!
Hey, Mr. Simon, just run it now.
Black Cat, get it up!
Come murder people that I don't know. Far East champion.
Swagger!
Tired of taking the blame. Might as well do that some boy again.
They are lead by 4!
Some clash that can be so unfair.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
I'm longing to see the world know how to be played.
Shoot again!
Jumping in the high.
Don't
you know?
Pull up! One thing you're telling.
Y'all say me never did a warn you. Now the Mighty Crown kill you.
Yeah, we are lead!
Don't be junkie when feed you.
You know what the people they must say?
I just love how the Mighty Crown sound keep playing.
Hold on. All who say Mighty Crown say go on Japanese. Yeah, me I take 2 rounds already in the pussy. Oh, now I go dead. Dead. Hey!
Sound boy, wait a minute. Before you play another job.
Why you going to Black Cat?
What can you do to stop yourself from dying?
Sir! Pull up!
Okay, know how we roll. All the country and all the town.
Yo!
Ooh, yeah, now.
All who come and work, do one!
That's about Mighty Crown. Tonight is a sound clash. Mighty Crown, I go win that.
Pull up! Shoot again!
Yeah, I'm looking to come over the town to come. Because listen, Mighty Crown, that's a true.
Last Black Cat! Yo! I'll say Mighty Crown is the real champion. 2 and a year again. Everybody, lift up!
I'm looking to come over the town to come.
Pull up! Bumbo class! Yo! You want to hear some big bumbo class tune? You want to hear some big bumbo class tune? Say yeah! Say yeah!
Massive and Crew, Barry Salmon and
Marcia Griffin! Barry Salmon! Champion, spend some money for the people.
Yeah.
Yeah!
For real, you know?
Listen! Fire! Big tune for your money. Barris! Marcia Griffin! Fire!
When you hear the mighty drum playing, the sound may be dying.
Yo!
Won't recover.
With Marcia Griffin
that's what's going on.
Respect to the ladies.
If you should see a son boy crying, don't ask his mighty
Yo!
feeling. Watch him cry. His heart is broke.
Big tune for your money. You can't play them tune now.
Like to tell you a story about what Mighty Crown can do.
Forward again. Forward again.
Can do. Listen, man.
Sorry, God.
Mighty Crown takes the dance floor.
Yo, me not take them forward there.
Oh God. People everywhere.
Look from Panther and Yonsi. They look fucking worried. They look fucking worried. Fred, your friend.
Mighty Crown. Pressure sound tonight, mighty Crown.
Yo!
Pressure them tonight.
Pressure, we pressure them blood.
Mighty Crown. Killer sound tonight.
After this dance, you not get no more fucking day. The whole fucking family are gonna starve now.
Son, hey son, boy, your mama hungry, your papa hungry, your brother hungry. Yeah, man, a fantastic.
Yo!
Mighty Crown.
Me I lead this in.
Burn up some sound and turn clown. So Simon, big up yourself. Oh, a Mighty Crown. Chow down sound. Hey son, boy, your mama hungry, your papa hungry, your brother hungry, your sister hungry. We are kill your son tonight, and you can't put up no fight. Son, boy, your mama hungry, your papa hungry, your brother hungry,
alright,
sister hungry.
fight back now.
We are kill your son tonight, and you can't put up no fight.
Pull up!
Party, can't get
fire again!
Get in the world.
Fire again!
Don't try to test my.
One thing we are telling.
Oh boy, you must be crazy.
Fire!
Test Mighty Crown bout ya.
Yo,
you got to be crazy.
when the bass line come in, I want 2 on the ear again. 2 on. Yo, pull up! Bombo clats.
Time, but about time between time and
bad boy ready.
By the 10 time to kill some swine, you know? Mighty Crown man. Passing it ready.
Bad boy ready.
Crown sound is deadly. Alright, Johnny.
Yo! Yo! Wake up! Again now. Mighty Crown in the back again now. Pull up! Yo! They kill Black Cat anywhere, anywhere in the world.
Kill enemies and any borderlines.
Yo, see the forward there?
Enemies, it is a murder time.
This is treat the hard way. Thinks they're pinchers alone. Yo, what the next singer there? 4 louder there, listen.
The wickedest time when Mighty Crown a play. I want to eat that sound and be run away.
Yo!
Eat that sound, but they must be run away.
Hold on there. Think that alone?
Don't wait one tell. I'll eat that sound.
Ah, look at my war. When the next DJ coming, go down here.
Mighty Crown, no time, logic, no time, first disrespect with sound like the dirty. Touching the summit, T-word, just up in there.
Bow the killer, give me the next tune.
Listen, kill or be kill them, stay there, talk and kill. Mighty Crown, gun pop.
Yeah, hold on there. Next tune, Bow the killer. Give me the next tune, Bow the killer.
Them I go murder them. Set them back, but me out when since I couldn't meet them walk.
Hold up! Hold on. May I lead the first round? May I lead this round by far? May I tell you? All who say Mighty Crown, Lee say, go on, Mighty Crown! Yeah, hold on. You see tonight, a serious clash, you know. See, I'm gonna play everything for you. I'm gonna cut tune for every Bumbleclaw clash. See right now, even if I'm wrong, you know, I will never say sorry to Panther. You know why? Listen tune. New tune time. New tune.
I want to see them sing. You hear me tell me now sing, then I'm a blood class sing. You hear me now?
Empty Panda.
Even if I'm wrong enough, I will never say sorry to Panther.
Friend, I wanna walk for money.
You know why?
Give me that. Mighty Crown, don't apologize to nobody, boy. If you're this Mighty Crown, we guns at your boy. Give me the one of the guns. They die in a day.
Oh, no, dead.
That's your boy. Mighty Crown, don't apologize to
nobody, boy.
If you're this Mighty Crown, girls, we guns at your boy.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Vanity and I know say Japan make it.
Fire! Future!
But if you wear John Paul, I'll shot if it done back.
I tell you!
Man call cocky them real and ball pappy. Say me that them Jackie.
Yo! Yo!
Some man call Jackie me would not go through.
It's right now.
Go through you.
May I play some vibes tune now, you know? All ready for vibes. 2-1 again. 2-1. Lego, Sammy. Lego. 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 Star wave. Star wave. Bomb. Ready. No. I'm prepared. Not prepared. You want to hear some new tune? New tune? New tune? Assassin!
Well, me say bang, 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 bang. Y'all them a cry for the John, call them war. So be past the fish. So it's
Body assassin!
Cisco, but I like to see that tongue. And it's no 1 minute man sing no, it's more like what you want. Yeah, this I'm in not daddy. Walk them long, like a long, me.
Yo!
Long, like a long, like a long. Mighty gun, what the girl them long, we nah yum.
Yo, you see me, I gonna play everything. New tune for your money. Big blood clot tune. Everything. All the one new tune, 2 and I again. Newest blood clot tune now. Sammy. Ready? Yo! They are done him. They are done him. They are done him. Panther. Every time you come this to Japanese, one thing we are telling.
No, this I might come here try this, and when they come here try this, it mean we have tried this. We have tried this, we're gonna rectify this. I'm not gonna try this, I'm gonna don't guide this. I shall never get you to left fight this. I'm gonna flying a sky this, and you will calabar try this. We go easy.
When me in a class, I just one thing.
They go shoot out the hypocrite them.
Yeah.
Them a go like say we are them friends.
They play everything.
In a way.
You tune everything. Lego. This is Soul Clash. Real Batman Clash. Listen. Anyone.
Gunshot post against that's all. If I this mighty crown so far. For the glory soul and that's all.
Mighty crown king of the dancer.
Well, I don't know, man. Sammy T.
Blood clot. You say you lock the city? Lock this blood clot show.
Say you lock the place. Go lock your mama. You will shot man in the face.
Go shot your mama.
Reach out with them where you say you abuse it. Fuck your mama.
They tell you.
Boss and tell your friend them say go cut your mama. We not thump in the face.
Yo,
karate man.
You want to hear some new blood clot bad boy tune? Bad man tune time. Listen. Listen.
Simon Ninja. Gun with us, mighty crown not trace.
Put gunshot in them blood clot face.
Don't take them forward there. Now take them forward.
Man put gunshot in the blood clot face. Man we fuck ass and case below. We put gunshot in the blood clot face. Fly boy brain like kite with us.
See my Timberland boots. Yo, me ready to kick off Black Cat with my fucking Timberland boots.
I'm the government convert. We're golden now.
Yo!
From her, but we're golden now.
Yo!
Them friends, some of them are soldiers.
Step on the blood cloud.
Step on them. Step on them.
Step on them, Ross.
Mighty gun, we are.
Step on them.
Step on them. Them are afraid to not see the quad. Step on them. Step on them. Step on them. We're gonna rise like the sun and it's a step on them. Step on them. Step on them. Black rain and my mighty gun. Tell them. Sit down this can we are dignitary.
Yo, people. Telling the straight to them. Seeing the year 2004. Seeing some Clash fan. Seeing Cospo Mighty Crown. Coming now taking up Clash dance in 2004. But you see for this year, me I come for Clash every bumbo club body. Name anybody. BS Odyssey, Jaro, One Love, Links, Mataran, any fucking body. Me not run from no blood club pussy. Remember me telling that.
Me not care if them come from Far East and West Coast. Them play the boom sound the most.
Anybody?
It's a mighty crowd. Yo. Well, mighty crowd of business, everybody dead. We try for only peace and we just decide to rob out from me down.
Everybody!
Everybody test the mighty crowd, we dead. We know business, it will have conscience. Some boy go back and the fan go plant on. Putting up resist.
What is the meaning of Panther?
Oh, mighty crowd did one. You know, Panther that I can dump it for pussy wall.
Two to go. Two to go. Final tune.
Well, me don't know your friend at the top of this boy. So me and Simon no come.
Yeah, I tell you.
Don't play we are go squeeze boy. Right. Don't know your friend at the top of this boy. Makes sense.
I know what Panther go play next enough.
So me and Simon no come.
Him gonna come in play some Answer rhythm, Shine and Chris rhythm. Every fucking tune. World champion. I want you cut some fucking tune for the people. See it? For the fucking people. One thing me I tell you. Last tune. You know what me I tell Panther and Yunzi? Final tune.
One for us who are not like we.
Pull up. Pull up.
Me now for action if Mighty Crown a lead. It's very obvious. But here I go on. Black Cat are world champion. I forgot to see. We really are going. Referee go see. We really are going. Panther, you ready?
Turn off the bass. Oh, no, should I give him a little bit like a impact down? Little while when I slow down, I say, couple man say, man. So what? Me not see him pop down. Me a war specialist. No blood clot boy in our business don't know a war like me. You think me a put out them big gun them first? Pussy wall drop on. Me gonna tell you this blood clot. Me gonna sink you. After the run you can't play back. Run that. Run that. Bumba clot there.
No, no, no.
Yo, blood clot Florida. Push up your Panther fans.
When I rise, ready this man.
Shut up! Bumba clot. Pussy. Chin. Where you do Mighty Crown say Panther or what?
Black Cat song.
An instrument you talk pussy. And Black Cat fans go so.
When I rise, ready this morning, I see love inside of me. Black Cat song. When I rise.
Members say 15-15 now, no? Members say 15-15.
I feel charged.
Push up here now, push up here.
But it not take nothing at all. The
so Mr. Panther says, so y'all learn it.
Blood clotting.
We're ready. Tell him Mr. Black Cat. Say we are killed from desert clocks and diamond socks, pinstripe rubber shirt filter. We are killed from one pop and camel from Bed Spring.
Play away free now, you see.
We are killed from before Bob Man locks. For Mama Dallas.
Give me more bass.
We are killed from long before that. Before I'm a Rinjan and a Rowax. We are killed from before Brazil and Italy start clash. For Pele play the first match. We are killed from before Pence them build them first car and Rolex build them first watch. We are killed from before Ku Klux Klan Orthodox. For white and 5 guns black. Killed from before Hiroshima.
One more thump in your mouth, Sammy. One more.
We are killed from. So let's get something straight now. Black Cat kill so long time.
Bumba clot.
This is the wicked everlasting.
Florida massive. What a road boy and
no calling in my friend the room, we are vigilante. Black Cat no mix up with CIA. Closest to
Valium. What's up? What's up?
Black Cat.
Pussy bust a 45, not a late day. Them have the shells in on the foot, out on display. Wanna sing or testify, me sing a Allah, no way. I am
welcome more volume.
Fire every day.
Turn up the blood class, so turn it up.
It's another day. Have me life and all me movements under every surface. Charge me your money on the fine of the pay.
Same time.
God have mercy, well, to rise me up this morning. With thanks to see the rising sun.
Bushman.
And even when it's done in backyard, lick another sound boy down.
Give me some more volume there.
Cause the time is so perilous. Some boys are so dangerous. In this time I don't know.
You know what happened that morning?
Hold on.
Blood clot.
But it's so easy. Give thanks and praise.
Wanna say Florida? Wanna say?
Yo, rush them blocks at a Chuck Peninsula. Some sound boy hungry till them mouth has.
You see the two boy we are more?
When me want your hands up, cause some sound I got dead now. Bust up the mid like some pop chow. What thing in the life are we sure about?
Where baby shop there?
Me want your hands up. All bad money for no never bow.
No batty boy no in here.
Wow.
Push up the hand them. Go hey yo. Push them up.
Sham not suck no pussy.
When we are born batty boy, we not wait and say sorry. We don't go so whole news.
We love them straight up. Black cat in the area. Oh.
Look how me relax. Look how me relax.
Listen son. See it's a little story about life. Black cat till a soul they have to die. A lot of people ask the questions why? Some sounds wanna go for some.
What keep it on the now?
Before they really learn about life.
No BS.
The subject is not to be ignored.
Keep it on.
So let it be.
Sunshine. Scotty. None of the people dead. Yes, sir. Now she goes out to the man in the street.
Lord,
sir, can you help me? Sing now. When it's cold, I hop.
Mighty Crown. You so early, me play them, yeah?
Black it sound, can you help me? You sing now.
Oh!
Think twice.
We're bad part and true, now we're chronicle there.
Another day for
we're chronicle there.
Oh, dice. Think twice. Ice is just another day for black cat sound in power.
We're Black Cat fans, now we can't dead. Never dead.
In the name.
Blood
in
clot.
the name.
Push it up.
In the name of the Lord, Black Cat, no king.
Relax.
Get the fantasy,
The whole crew, man. I was jobless, you know?
Look how me relax, Mighty Crown, you hear that song? Relax. Jacure. Lighter.
Freeway. Black Cat, you play.
What do them?
I know Jaja bless me. No jump and can't this me. No matter how they try. Black Cat play now.
Look how me relax. We're not rushing out with the bodies.
No jump and can't this me.
What them say?
No matter how they try. No matter how they try.
What them say?
Hey, as far as the wind blow from the west to the east.
Where the bass say?
Black Cat, I know you never see it.
Lick on the bass now. Bumbo clot, I may play toughest. Next rhythm.
Read. Yeah.
Mighty Crown, last. Bury someone.
Dancing and reasoning with myself is kill them, Black Cat. Kill them now.
Bury.
You kill them, Black Cat. Kill them.
Me no class clash thing gonna soon blood class switch. Hold on. The clash just all get sweet.
Shall make them know them a grub, and I'll have fun, yes, I'll have so much fun.
They got you wicked on this already. Wait till later.
If you weren't in the dance, tell me how would I be able to jump and prance and have so much fun, yes, so much fun. Yes, them guys, they're full of greed and selfishness, and they only play for them.
Next tune, parody.
Only you can play for the people.
For sure, I've gotta let you know.
Full of the deal.
Got to let you know.
Bumbo clock. Yo.
You know. Oh, thinking about the younger years. It was only my gun and me. Listen to Black Cat playing in the party.
So go rub the boat.
And now nothing can take that away from.
I bet you some on the field tonight.
I've heard some
Mighty Crown gonna get some blood clot being in there. Hold on.
But no, Black Cat keep me coming back for more. Cause Black Cat the people them want when they're playing in the dance hall.
Hold on, Black Cat murder some
Bushman for the blood clot.
Panther murder them tonight. The people them love when Black Cat sound it a play. Yeah, the vibes are flew. The people them love to hear Black Cat every day.
Panther,
that's the way it goes. Sound why no love when cat a play. Then sounded out.
You know the song me I play? Steady and relax. Class just start.
And them sound a go dead way. Wicked man love when him gun was loud and clear. And him shot
same way.
And the policeman love when him get the permission to turn on the Black Cat sound. Sound why no love when Panther play. Them sounded out. At 34, them spend pando.
It's a Bushman.
Them sound a go dead, no matter where them play. Could never be as terrible like when Panther play. Refrain from your crooked ways. Them boss sit in night chair and watch.
Stand up. Lick on the bass. Work specialist. What if you know what going on in business? Me work 365 days out of the year. Not no frighten me. You ever hear about Sunday yet? Watching blood clot Sunday dinner tonight.
Giving them problems, flames.
Barrington living.
No sound can sound. Can't test the champion sound. My sound, my sound.
See him where you so now rush down.
Black Cat sound. We can't dance without it. We can't smoke.
How much more left for 15 minutes?
We kill sound with it. So don't try. Don't try. We give you problems in the morning. More problems in the evening. Problems every day. We can't.
Turn up!
Man called punch on yourself, you know, yeah, man. Yeah, man, you say, yeah, you know. Punch on yourself, a Black Cat.
Anthony Cruz. Listen, new tune. Me now rush down. No, done them.
You coulda never kill a sound like this. I coulda Black Cat sound, you want come this. Them sound right here, we have the Shine and Chris. If them ever this, them a...
Oh, no soon know about them tune, yeah, man.
Black Cat the sound well up, we kill all night.
Me a war specialist, me not for rush none. Come on, blood clot dead, hold on.
We just crank it up and put it under cruise control. Because the boys, different from the man. When it comes to killing sound, Panther is the man. Run them over with the tanker, or with the van. The girls them love that sound, you send them out one by one. Because the boys, different from the man. When it comes to killing sound, Black Cat is the man. Run them over with the tanker, or with the van. And any sound one day just send them on.
One more tune, you'll see, don't rush it. Play same way, give me a Dennis Brown. So you feel. Oh, now go like I'm afraid to say Musa. I'm afraid. Cause I don't know what I don't know what a blood clot up like morning. When I'm done with this blood clot and walk out in there, lock up. One more tune. One more.
Hear me, I say no Panther. Bumbo wall, them never know, so we're gun back big and the one we carry by even Santa. So me ask you up to the time, kick it like a ball, you know, the one that brand new, you know. You
Final show this cartel.
This are chat off them out, them and them friend. Hey, all you fi say, Panther, this your friend.
What up on the bass now? Final show.
Mac 10. Panther, what we tell a guy? You and your friends suck your mother, go fi uncle, go fi nephew, go fi brother. When it start, we no can't say no bother. Blood rush out the head, like your shake up and pull baba. Me gun them ugly like Shabba. Gun go so daga, 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 daga to the chest, just like in a shot.
See we Panther cartel.
Real deed scatter, real friend flatter. If you're this Panther, you're dead. Hey, black cat, the pussy run go fi friends, but me spot the whole of them out on the infrared lens. Next one.
All right, easy cartel. Relax on yourself, my people. Relax. You no go and clash all the while. You no fool to clash. Nothing no go on yet. Hold on. MC! Where you there?
Alright, see it now, Hollywood all. And the real thing this no, you know, car. 2 round Ghana, no, you know. All who say match gun of the road, 2 and a year fast. Everybody make some nice. All who say match gun of it. All who say Panther go and good shape, but 2 and a year fast. Cause we are keeping rolling, we not waste no time, you know. Right now we not waste no time. The Far East ruler them right now, Japanese mighty crown.
Yeah. Yo, Panther. Me lose off a Panther, you know. Him say me relax. First round me relax, second round me relax. You too relax, the people them fall asleep, man. Bumbleclad. Yo, tell them this. Me is a Japanese son. See it? It's really hard for a Japanese son to stay in the game. Me don't need no fucking sympathy if you win the clash, you know. Tune, music, I saw me stay. See it? All who agree, 2 and a year. Straight. See it? I love it in my heart. But when me kill some, me come to kill blood class some, and I back out or nothing. Panther!
Trade winds keep on flowing.
What the light on them there?
Keeps on playing.
Yo!
And love keeps on flowing. So
Listen!
Just yesterday, I was hoping for tomorrow.
Yo, people!
And I trusted
I'll say Mighty Crown win 2 rounds already. 2 on the ear! 2 on the ear! Everybody! See that?
My life has been filled with ups and downs.
And I give up no time. 14 years in the business.
But still, by faith, stand our ground.
Listen this part.
Cause when the going gets rough, Mighty Crown gets going. Cause I will never give up the fight.
Hold on. Boom. Hold on. Yo, Black Cat play a Jacure. So me can't play no fucking Jacure. Let me play one of the wickedest Jacure right now. Stop it.
Oh Lord.
Jacure.
Oh Lord.
Jacure.
Mighty Crown. Koji. Oh Samiti Lord.
Yo, what?
Love is the only solution. Can't stop forever.
So you play Jacure. Anthem time now. They're gonna bust him up enough. Mom and Heritage Luciana. Listen. Yo! Me a lead. Me a fucking lead. This is Mom and Heritage, my family. Alright, Luciana, Mighty Crown. 2 on the here.
Another punchline. Oh, Almighty say that if
pull up!
I am bad mind. With dead eyes I come up mine. This is Mighty Crown.
Hardcore rhythm. Panther. You're the fucking racist, man. One thing you tell.
Mighty Crown tell them clean up them heart and come.
Forward again. Show. blood clown.
I'm just a big up yourself, Sammy.
When me born my friend them there. Them can't play sizzle like we. Florida.
Give it up. Rise up, no go now. Look at yourself, you know you're strong.
Pull off. Bombo Clown, me a lead by far. Sizzler again.
Sound test on the diamond.
Black Cat dead from long time.
Yeah.
Sizzler, tell Black Cat this.
You better run, we gonna kill your sound. That we gonna shoot you down.
Wow.
You never know this is the mighty crown.
Yo!
Fire.
Vibes is here.
Prolific, alright.
They can't get me out of the business, never.
Mighty crown never fail, I know way. Mighty crown is always there.
Shoot! Since again!
Yeah.
I'll say mighty crown lead the dance. Start wave.
Hear that sound, bye. We don't care. That sound guy, judgment declare. Who's fault? No one but themselves.
Stop it!
That's right, don't know them dead.
How we are take this? We're with every road.
It was your brain.
Our Black Cat I go play. It's gone, it's Silk and then it's Pro. Got some tune for entertain the people, man. Come on.
Why does it have to be this way? I do your candle. Mighty crown where we play. Mighty crown.
Kill the sound. Yo. How much more minute we have? Forever. Jesus Christ. Yo, since night, Black Cat got too forward. I just too forward, you know. See? And everybody a pay for coming. And you play like that. And you go on like you're the greatest history-making world Bumbleclad champion. You're a fucking fool, man. Pink panty boy, you're a fucking fool. May I tell you? Sam, you want to see a thing?
Boy, worst me ever see Black Cat I go on to them and not tell no lie. We clash with Panther them enough time, but tonight are the worst. Boy, I not even know if him can play on next week our clash. Boy, I don't know. Stick it on him. Panther, you see you, rate on us still, but you have no vibes tonight, man. You're like, yeah, man, people. What kind of fuckery, man? You need some weed in your blood clot head right now. Somebody give me some ganja right now. Let go! Ganja, man!
Yeah. We got marijuana in Ethiopia, Jamaica, in the Bahamas. We don't care about that.
Panther, you need some of this. We got it right here. Give me next tune. You see, when me I do first thing when me wake up in the morning.
First thing me do when me wake up, but I get from my nerves first. So me bring it from what's from a town boss. Super G give me your phone first. He say nah, never.
Are you mean? Panther, you need some ganja in your head here? Remember me tell her that. Lord God. All of the mighty crown take the dance already say, you go on already, my youth. Lord God. Stick it on your Bumbleclad pink panty, boy. You see that tune here now? This is Sizzler. Oh, my bad. Sizzler along with Akon. Lego that tune.
Far East rulers, listen, man. All sound boys will fall down. Listen to me, man. Only one man can wear the crown right now. That's Mighty Crown, the Far East rulers, and I'm on the side of it. You heard?
No sound have them combination in the world.
Poison bomb for them.
Cause it's convict music.
Akon Kalanji out.
Killing sound boys is the motive. That's right. What Mighty Crown will do.
So me not even take that forward. Me last on the Panther.
Flopping with no reputation. Do you know what you're facing?
Panther, me kill this.
If they try and stop me, they will get shot up. No way out. They have no way out. They'll get shot up with no way out. No.
Yeah, man.
With no
Panther.
They'll get shot.
Black Cat Crew, I'm gonna beat you like some bitch tonight.
With no way
hey.
They'll get shot up.
Women talking them from full ladder.
Bleed you figures. This mighty clown, you're not that fucking nigga.
Panther, don't even fucking depend on your chunk for tune. The only thing I've left is fucking Dennis Brown and Garnet Silk, which everybody don't know. Alright. Oh, for him Box Boy a hype up. Him little Box Boy a hype up. Box Boy, since I have back up Blacker, this tune is for you. Hear that tune here?
Mighty crowd in this motherfucker. 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 Mighty crowd in this motherfucker.
Hear that party!
Mighty crowd in this motherfucker. Okay. Mighty crowd.
Listen.
Black Cat is gonna die. Mighty crowd don't give a fuck. Black Cat.
Wait! That's done! That's blood clot done! Me and them bodies! It's like how you say, me and them bodies!
Me are the wickedest thing round here, pussy clad. Let go that 50 Cent now.
Hey, what's up? This is 50 Cent, and you're now tuned in to Mighty Crown. It's going down. Unite!
Yeah. Many sound. Wish death for one ground. Better ask the ground.
Last one, dance done!
Yo! Somebody say Mighty Crown! Mighty Crown! Who why you Black Cat? Who why you Black Cat?
You know easy a blood clot. You can't ask my people.
Watch out, use it.
You can't ask my people if they want to hear me. Thank you for the forward. Thank you. A reggae dance may come. A reggae straight me a play. Be dead for blood clot reggae music. A reggae me a promote. Run that blood clot. Run that.
War tanker, ready to kill. War tanker, ready to kill.
Women tired in fans them there. The blood clot down the Mighty Crown.
Ready to kill.
Pussy women kill you every week. You see already? What's that turn round here, Mighty Crown? Switch round now.
What's on the Panther? Keep on burn them non-stop. Yo, Rastafari now.
Mighty Crown, counteraction, the blood clot.
Yo, it's Panther. Tell them, I feel we two feed them one. Them not.
Look at. Pull off! Your blood clot.
Hey, some boy try counteract this.
But find the artist, your blood clot.
And none before and none after can take that. Yeah, me as original Black Cat.
Pussy will Mighty Crown.
Keep on.
I will say reggae music, 200 year.
Rastafari.
What's up?
Hey, I am here to fire me and some of them know.
What's up?
Yo, tell them, I feel we two feed them one. Them not get it at all.
No bass. Bass man. Work with the bass like when you work with Mighty Crown. Blood clot there. What you mean? When you can't kill Black Cat sound, real blood clot sound round here. Pussy me go done. Run that.
Oh, that's shot from step up, Archangel.
On to the grave.
Push up, yeah.
Some sounds but not now. Black Cat, go tell your friends. On to the graveyard they go. Black Cat kill them right now.
Bumbo clad dodo. Pussy. You see close switch.
Browse the panther, so you don't know what you know. Kid, let it play now, delay right away. It's another. Yeah. Here we go.
On the ready? Come and kill Mighty Crown, yes sir.
Tell them what, sir. Tell them so what. So, we are not afraid. No, sir. Are you a walk and a best of your place? We are not afraid. You man. Are you a so and a song?
Watch me, your blood clot now, Sammy.
When you pass the base and a put up your waist. We are not afraid.
Push up your hand, push up your hand.
Tell them what, sir. Kill me if you're bad. You are run off your mouth. You're
ready now.
Kill me if you're bad.
Ain't no Kentucky thing. What's the song where you are bomb the clock sing?
On the ready?
Like a thing. But anyway, from your fuck material like a ballet. No man no fear of another man in line.
Where be sir?
Body man.
You have the bounty ready?
Oh, them blood clot. Black cat say. Tell them already, I go tell them again. From your suck pussy, you are not my friend.
Samity and Simon, two batty boy.
Oh, God, people. Pass me the blood clot.
Yeah.
Anyway, long time the batty boy thing it fi cut out. Things say like tell them it careful. You want them fool? Hey, Panda.
Here, but done.
Can't feel me. I can see that the sound get through. My tree, my children, my flowers will be
true, man.
And
when a man, hey, fix that blood clot. Massive. It no matter why, no.
No, this place is gonna burn down.
Me are the blood clot greatest. Pussy Almighty Crown if you hand a panther. Me not play none less but reggae music. And that me a blood clot promote. Run it again. Run it! Bumba clot. Run it again.
Motherfucking niggas should know, get that? I chow one time Youngsley. I chow Panther. I chow, get out, motherfucker.
That one you're dead.
I chow Papa.
Bounty, kick Mighty Crown, I'm out.
Kingston, I got gun. Well, see Panther, you were everybody want kill. Then 3 world cash, and then you be past kill. So fly past them next just to them jack quit.
Now watch the sound in them.
Alright, let's kill. Jack, and the sound with every tactical skill. Go through forest and go over hill. Right through the search like Buffalo Bill.
One more throw, assassin now.
Kill and not chase me, say girl over. I'm murder. Where's the black you put on the pants and you see kid?
Assassin!
Chatty son man say. Yo, one son boy got leaking information. The phone up a station and ring.
Informer.
Correct accusation, all past name. The phone at the mark and ring. When we write the case, end of the day with a bus it till the ace them ring. Yo, you want to talk about box? Take one box and shot the glass. Black and the fight in a ring. So we not gonna take your life when you fire at your part.
No matter what blood clot was. Panther the baddest. Keep again.
Learning. See that? Come on everyone, well this is Panther time. Killing the sound boy where the
they are shot. Military.
Come on everyone, well this is Black Panther.
Wanna say?
The real killer sound and killing on nobody. What is that to do? Kill them all. Kill them all. Panther them boy they are safe on the ground.
Batman sound I place. No apology. Baddest blood clot sound. When I tell you about no boy, I tell you none.
Hey yo, you know it's Black Chat. We got this place locked. Motherfucking niggas is coming pop chat. Hey yo, I pop Glocks. Motherfucking niggas should know. Step back. Hey yo, you whack. Back to the war time. Come motherfucking niggas should know. If it's war, we answer. Hey yo,
my youth.
Time to get the pussy.
I notice you're not doing the bass proper.
Yo, they insisted. Well, Black Cat no business, super you dead. We try to hold the peace, but why must it now we heard?
Wait for Mighty Crown party, you fun?
Said,
you fun? A counteraction is blood clot.
This is all of them gone.
You see what it is?
Charo nothing not one. Come and put up resistance tonight, him a go bam.
Who you want kill pussy one?
Hello, lose your bad man. Super sound about. Yeah man. So you want one up?
Lick out the bass.
Black Cat. Rude boy, push up your phone finger now, cause I know phone thing, you know. Funny man, you that go bust up like a pumpkin, you know. Keep a chance of firewood, we say don't thing, you know.
Just another day. Mighty Crown will never live to kill Black Cat sound. Who not go here? Who not go blood clot here? Hold on, run one more tune. One more tune. Bumba clot, ready? Run it. No time I waste. One more.
Yeah, give me a second, Black Cat. I'm not the baddest bumbo class sound, you know.
Sammy, who laugh last, laugh the blood clot best.
Up chat.
Who know we know?
Time, you know. Hear me a say now. Yo, Black Cat. I would have somebody that play this bag of breast bumbo.
Body sound.
Yes. Hey, picture this. The gun specialist. Panther have the two Maki level in a him and them a turn and press. Can we no fight with no blood clot fist. Hey, juvenile. Picture this. You are the war biologist. You have your guns they examine and a
cartel.
Noses. Kappa shot a kill them like Moses. Can we no responsive people. So we shoot up the bench.
One more tune. Right there.
The Black Cat them.
Right there. Doctor Moses. Stop.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Respect those who respect me. You love those who love me. Parry those who parry me.
You're laughing, chin.
Shut up those who shut up me.
Me nice.
This girl walking on me life with a crazy motion love that she found. Look, I know she freaky boy.
No freaky boy around here.
We try.
What be the man say now?
Cause all the solid girls want to been around. I never once bow one down. So I keep on standing up. Any bumbo clad man have them man of the year. Name pussy. So let me hear gunshot in the. Say no girl never sit in your face like.
Yeah,
and I know she have to find herself some other guy.
No matter what I say.
Rock the volume, pump it, quality bass
Me
line.
now stop boots reggae music.
Okay. Okay.
Mighty Crown, you fight against Panther. Who laugh last the best.
Well, we say them not like me not like you neither. Suck your mama. Say no rate me no rate you neither. Go suck your mama. Say no heal me heal you neither. Suck your mama. Say you not beg friend me not beg no neither.
Suck your mama.
My only alliance is God Almighty. The weapon where you farm against.
Stand up. Lick out the bass. Panther soldier. Massive, me love you the same way. It even don't really matter if you don't say Ray or you keep quiet. You don't know say me are the baddest blood clot selector. What is to be have to be. Make a bust a new artist. We are locked Jamaica right now. Mighty Crown, me and you on the size. You can't go and do your thing. You can't catch me back. Me come here to play a tune for my people. Now you to the turbulence. I lock down the whole of Jamaica. Listen to that tune there. Turbulence.
I love to feel up the woman them breast nipple. Burn the board them where you feel up man testicle. After burn them out fast when I come for take a nickel. Hey Batty man, your judgment simple. Give it to her that makes she feel like she cripple. Just because me maga she assume me things little. When she check it out, good job. What I sit no man I work it like a 25 years me there your prison. Even a Black Cat.
Pussy wall.
Do them.
Holy man. I will hold up on the big stage. Turbulence.
Don't fuck around.
Turbulence.
Big disaster. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Turbulence.
Tell her jump and don't fuck around. Panther is notorious and we work for the king and his grace. It's so glorious. Don't fuck around. Black Cat devastating and we work for the king and his love.
Turbulence.
Everlasting. Mr. Burn away your jump and lifestyle and the jump and image and the jump and man them.
No more tune you say. No more. That's a new artist. We are locked Jamaica. When me not see no trophy, me not too feel good enough. Anyway, you want some tune for tune or no? You want some tune because soon done enough. So start it yourself.
Well, Anna. Anything you want now. Well, Anna, listen to me now. If you don't want to say who win now, or if you don't want dub for dub, right now, make me know. One. Tune for tune. Tune for tune. Wanna say yes or no? All who say yes, go so. Tune for tune. When I hear that thing, you're a rado. Raga make Uno decide, you know. Cause Uno pay Uno money. So Uno forget to the money's worth. Them say 6 a devil number. 7 a God number. Uno want 7 tune versus 7 tune. Or 10 tune versus 10 tune. Which one do you want? All who say 10 tune versus 10 tune, go so. All who say 7 tune versus 7 tune, go so. 10 tune win. So here one more. Mighty Crown, 1 for 1, 10 tune, Black Cat, 10 tune. The man who get the most forward win the dance. Mighty Crown.
Massive. You know the Mighty Crown win the dance already, though. Alright, but me still gonna play the tune for tune. But hold on. Me not gonna play 10. Hear my reasoning now. I would rather play 11. Because 10, let's say it got a wicked. I turn out 5-5, which is gonna be a draw. Who's gonna judge that 10-10? That may I try show you, Richie Poole. You understand what I say? So well, let's not make it 9 then. We say about 9 shots. All who agree, gun and here. 9 shots. Alright, 9 shots we are give them. But me still like how me don't tell you Panther blood clot dead already. And every time when a man start pop down, he might blame me upon the sound. Yo, engineer, fix up the mic then. While it's fucking clear. You know, so me clearly win tonight. First round, second round, third round, and me I go take this blood clot tune for tune to. Leg up.
In the beginning was the word, and the word brought forth.
All who say Mighty Crown win the dance already.
Mighty Crown, the far east ruler. Skip west. You done dead already. Someone, you done dead.
Pull up. But no, you're gonna come in with your gun, say. Come in with your gun, say. Or Dennis, bro.
Dead in your mama pussy. Dead what? You can't kill one tanker pussy one. Tanker can't mash up. With the blood clot.
Black
You run
that.
pussy
Yes,
one.
the body number 1. Oh, hey. And I the sound.
Dead your blood clot.
Hey, that sound boy.
Hear this.
Hey, listen this. Black Cat, we tell him say, hey, I am a Yonze. Hey, Panther, this is George. So we tell him say, I did a sound boy here tonight, man. Cause them are going like them a general and them a, hey, yo, I eat that. Hey, yo. Hey, selector. Sure.
Blood clot. Yo. What do you say?
You know.
More blood clot, yes.
Yes, you know.
It's a Black Cat.
Hear me now. A Black Cat sound is the general. In all of the sound they
Stop. Bumbo clot. Next sound. Where you there? Watch him.
Batty man, yo. Lose off in the Panther. Bumbuckler.
You one day we'd meet for a clash. Sound boy, I always look forward to that.
Hear that big tune. All who know big tune. You know who this? Baba and the Master Griffin.
I knew one day we'd meet for a clash. Sound boy, I always look forward to that. Ooh, look at it now, Mighty Crown's got you in a ring. He's gonna whip you and show you
Hear that part now.
It's alright with me to kill a sound boy.
Pussy wall. Let me kill that tune that you saw. Right, yes, sir. Right, yes, sir. Bumbo cloud, no. Nobody pussy hole, yo. Your blood clot, yo.
Yo, still a lead in a Panther. Yo, we get two already, Panther. Blood clot. Yo, you want me play one of the wickedest tune in Mighty Crown Box? This is Jimmy Bumbleclad Cliff. Jimmy fucking Cliff.
Well, this is the living legend, Jimmy Cliff.
Yo!
The Mighty Crown.
That's done!
Sammy T, Goji.
Living artist! Listen!
Many son boy will fall.
Fire!
But now.
All who say Mighty Crown win tree, say go on Mighty Crown! Dance, don't think panty boy!
Since you play Jimmy Cliff, which artist can go harder than Jimmy Cliff? Your blood clot, yo. Run me artist.
Black Cat crew. You like Milo.
More volume. More volume.
Oh, them tune is
blood clot, yo.
Special sample. See, Garnet did say that. I'm gonna take back chat.
Yes.
Rule them Black Cat. Rule them all the way.
Blood
Sound boy, have I told you? Class shouldn't be so easy. Shouldn't be so easy. I've got some jail plate will kill you.
Mighty Crown, you're dead. All who's a Black Cat win the clash 200 years.
There was no one else. You don't have to tell me you wanna play by yourself. But rule it, Black Cat.
Your blood clot, yo. Your Jimmy Cliff lost. Your Jimmy Cliff lost.
Fuck off. Yo, you see Panther? In play, Garnet still. See, let me tell you this. See, if Garnet still was living right now, Mighty Crown will have the most blood clot Garnet still. See, play a blood clot big living artist. Yo, Jimmy Cliff again. Big Joe! Big Joe!
Will they fly up in the sky?
Pull up! I mean, take 4 already. Pussy.
It look like you really want everybody for dead. You want me kill that Jimmy Cliff dead? You want me kill it? Blood clot, yo.
Big up all Canada close, see? Yeah, my ball in that place.
Ay, 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 ay.
Blood clot.
Stop your itching, boy.
Blood clot, yo.
See, said I fell in love with Black Cat song.
Your pussy clot, yo.
Yo, Black Cat dead enough. Black Cat dead enough. I said Black Cat dead. Said dead. Said dead.
When I'm back in the ninja.
Fire! Never. Pull up. When you can't kill this Japanese, you heard?
Boy in blood clot in no manners. Pussy hole. You better go in a graveyard now. Garnet Silk again. Run that
I'll play like a skimming, but don't come play against the Black Cat sound. You're mad. You don't see. I'm dead. Pink Panther.
Mighty Crown.
Say nothing.
This is a trophy dance.
For man, you control.
Last impression, this blood clot.
Black Cat come again, and a song boy life is. I know,
yes.
I know. Oh Lord, what a sound, Brad. Hey, yeah. Run things. Whoa.
We're gonna find some there.
Black Cat is broad. Ooh, say you wanna challenge Black Cat, but Cat will throw you to the ground. Didn't you know Black Cat moves all over town?
Alright, Garnet Silk, lighter.
Can't you see this Black Cat wearing the crown? Now in your own tears I'm gonna make you drown.
Go down, son blood clot, yo. You can't move God next to you mad. You want duffy box, yo.
Yo, you get a boo playing Garnet Silk. I'll say Black Cat there, boo again. Yo, it seems like the people don't give a fuck about you, Panther. Shoot!
Lose the mind, don't matter what the class. Very someone stand up.
Listen, lyrics! Very someone! Mojo Panther! Panther!
No one really cares about you. Just a big waste of time. There's nothing special about you.
Yo, on the done! On the done!
You took the trophy for granted.
Yo!
Now it's time.
Straight!
Mighty crown the people.
You know how hard it is? On one-on-one, Black Cat.
Charge of murder all over.
Wow! Forward again!
Little sound guy, why do you think that you
Yo, wait till Buju come in.
Mighty crown, charge of murder.
Yo, once again.
All over and over.
I'll say Mighty Ground lead the dance to one here. No bias, no bias.
Hear me
now. Oh, so that sound cannot die.
Play already. Not play already, Mighty Crown. Blood clot. Mighty Crown. Panther the wickedest. Me sit down and watch you for 4 rounds. And take 2 tune and kill you. You have blood clot, idiot. When this drop in your pussy clotted, you're done.
The gate.
Genesis.
Oh, na na. Oh, yeah.
Hey, but into them, more bass.
Oh, yeah. Look it. Ooh.
Them a plan for me massive.
Look it. I heard you planning to attack me, sound boy.
What them do?
But you back up in a hardcore Black Cat.
Stand up. And a good tune that. All who say a good tune, rise your answer. Bumba clot, you don't shame.
Boy, Panther, may I tell you a lie? That tune is bad, but it's like you go every dance and you fucking play them tune now. So every time people I'm leading around and get bored. May I tell you a lie? Panther, may I tell you this? You see tonight, you know much none of the blood clot Mighty Crown box, none of my league. You don't even fucking belong in my league right now. Let go that tune now.
Mighty Crown to kill himself.
May I tell you this? Hear lyrics.
So boy, don't put your hat where you can't reach it.
That no send no message. You see me a stretch for the blood clot hat. Me a dip on my head. Fuck off, Mighty Crown. Panther lost you. Are you ready for the final now? Come and lock him up. Lock him up, don't say. Lock him up. Lock him up.
Select a seed, them a come.
But
Black Cat and the Conqueror. Select a seed, them a come. Stop.
Brooks.
Yo, the dance done enough. And me winning enough. Yo, Yonzi, sorry. Move. Yo, tell her this. Black Cat play a tune, say. Black Cat are the conqueror. Me know who you fucking conquer. Yo, all who say Panther fi go home, say go home. Sammy, Lego. Final show.
Yeah, you lad.
And me winning by far.
No, them can't take me.
Panther, pack up your bongo clan, don't play and go back to Jamaica.
Tell a sound boy he must pack a brick.
Hey!
And stop from
pull up, Sammy. Last tune that pussy, me will lead.
You see some Mighty Crown dead? Your blood clot dead. This dance is not who win the most round. I will go on best in the last part.
Tribute to the nation, friend.
Killer Gregory there, one more Gregory. Killer Gregory there.
I'm boyfriend.
Yeah, Richie.
Bigger
One
Gregory.
time, Panther. Balakat.
Lord.
Gregory. Bigger tune this blood clot. Yes.
Some boy don't test me. I'll put the tablet in your heart.
Blood clot. Bigger tune. You lose. No corner no run in here. And no trophy dance. You lose the whole line tune for tune.
I lose a mighty crown with 2 in a year. Yeah. So, before we done the dance now, because them say more Guinness than the bar, and the dance are done 5 o'clock. So, we don't feel like we forgot home yet. But we don't know if we still want more war because sound dead already. So we don't want juggling and we want more war. We want to say juggling and more war. Juggling? Alright, make the one away. Line up some tune and juggle for your people them car. Liquor there at the bar and the dance not done till 5 o'clock.
Juggle your blood clot. Gunshot for gunshot. A war me come.
Yeah, man, a roots rock reggae music, you know. Rock.
Mighty crown, yeah, yeah. Mighty crown with the champion crown.
Well, I know.
Yeah.
Rock.
Murderation, no.
Well, I know, man. Well, I know.
I'll jump and sound.
We're going to line up some juggling tune for the people then.
Sound, yeah. No, right now. Oh. Murderation, no.
Stop. On a run for the clash. Pussy on a run. War not done on a run. One more tune and go, you see. On a dead. On a run.
Black Cat sound, you know.
On a run for the blood clot clash.
And kid. Son boy must not be stupid.
Luciana.
Black Cat sound. That's true.
Bamba clot, you know.
Hey.
Luciana. On a run.
Lay yourselves to rest. Black Cats loose and so wise. In the dance tonight, spread it all over the world.
Like any sound on the air play last and them win.
Why? In the dance hall tonight,
them win.
Spread it all over.
Mighty Crown lock off. See them a pack up there. Them a pack up.
Look at all those soundboys who are dying out.
Have a nice time, my love, you know.
Dying out from murder.
Yes, people, my love, you know.